The start. Helicopters be like when the police station's small. Get out, bruh. This profit, bruh.
I hear how funny.
It took me forever to make this. Look. And look at this thing. Where's their back? Did you bring it?
Yes, it's in
Where's the box? Oh, okay. So this is this. And this thing is her back. You put this like this. Like this. Bruh. Put it on. It's impossible to put this thing on, first of all. And this, I don't know who this is. I'll just leave this in here. And this is Isabella. Bald Isabella. I don't know her name. Mira? I don't know. Mira? Jacka? Jason? Ryan? What's your name?
Asha.
Oh, yeah. Asia. Asia.
Asha.
Asia.
Asha.
Asha. Asha. And I broke this thing. I don't know where it goes. Okay, here. And this guy comes with a G-Wagon. I can't make this. And look at the doors. They're horrible. Like,
Can't fix that, right?
no. And what is this hair? What is this hair? Like, look. Look. What is this hair?
Weird
What?
hair. Right here.
What's this hair? What is this
Looks
hair?
like a man.
Look. See?
Hey, I can't see.
Okay. And I can't put her in.
Yeah, exactly. Because
See how stupid this door is?
she doesn't belong to that car. She belongs to the
G-Wagon.
yeah, the G-Wagon.
I lost the person that you put in this roadster.
Yeah, so you have to use the
See
G-Wagon.
the door of this thing?
It always breaks.
Exactly.
I'm telling
One
you.
fact about my foots. This one's fatter, this one's skinnier.
Get your foot out of here.
And this one, it's the problem. I hate this thing. It always gets off.
And breaks.
But at least the person's cool. Look at this person. Looks cool like this.
Okay.
And this thing, look at it. It never got off. But how do I put this thing on? Okay.
And
So put this thing on, and this thing.
Doesn't that look crap, guys?
See, I broke the whole thing.
There's a noob in there.
Oh yeah.
There's a noob in that Ferrari. There's a noob in there. See? Show them the noob.
The new will show that. But first, finish this. Who's crying?
I don't know. Yeah, I
Bro.
do know, but I'm not saying her name.
Say it.
Say it. Okay, I'll say it.
No.
Hafsa's crying.
Bruh. Me. Huff. Oh, wait.
And
No.
What? It breaks again?
That's
That's what I told you. It keeps breaking.
No.
The back always breaks. Even other parts you could break too.
Bruh.
Should you show them Hafsa crying?
Should you? No.
Only for 1 second.
No. Fine.
I didn't even show them.
Gosh.
Okay.
She's
Yeah.
fake crying just so you know. So what happened?
There's only 5 more minutes to make this video.
What?
I'm exhausted. The time is running out.
Chill. Okay, that's 1 minute. Just joking. I'm not that silly.
That is no 1 minute. That's 5 minutes, right?
That's 5 minutes. See you tomorrow. Just joking. No. Don't turn it off.
Why? Show them the Nooby. Wait, before I show you this one too, I'm going to show you the mini baby cars. They're so worse than these ones. Should I show them the baby cars?
I think they're better.
Yeah, the baby cars look even better. They never break. They don't break. They don't even break. Line up all the baby